Hey everyone, welcome back to Talk English Podcast. I'm John.
And I'm Sarah. Thanks for being here again. If you listened to episode 1, you heard the story of Rachel and the pink umbrella.
A quiet rainy day, a kind stranger, and one small gift that made a big difference. It was such a beautiful way to practice English using shadowing, wasn't it?
Exactly. And if you missed it, you should totally go check it out. Today, in episode 2, we're turning things up a little. This episode is for intermediate learners,
More natural English, some idioms and phrasal verbs, and a deeper, really more emotional story.
And just like before, we'll break down keywords and expressions, give you time to shadow, and, help you grow your vocabulary in context.
Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us keep bringing you awesome learning tools like this.
Quick reminder, shadowing means you listen, pause, and repeat out loud, just like the speaker, okay?
Try to copy the speed, the rhythm, and the feeling. Don't worry if it's not perfect. It's practice, right?
Today's story is called The Blue Wallet. It was a busy Thursday morning in the city. Cars honked, people rushed past each other. Alex was running late. He was a university student juggling part-time work and full-time classes. His bag was heavy and his mind was racing. He stopped at a small coffee shop near the metro station. He ordered a black coffee, paid quickly, and rushed out. But as he hurried down the street, something didn't feel right. He reached into his coat pocket and froze. His wallet was gone. He stopped walking. His heart sank. Inside the wallet were his ID card, his Metro Pass, his student card, and the last $20 he had for the week. "No way," he muttered. "I just had it." He turned around and ran back to the coffee shop. He asked the barista, but no one had turned in a wallet. "I don't have time for this," he said under his breath. Still, something made him wait a little longer. He sat at a table by the window and looked out. He felt angry, stressed, hopeless. 10 minutes later, a woman walked in holding a small blue wallet. "Is anyone here named Alex?" His eyes lit up. He stood. "That's me." She smiled. "You dropped this outside. I was on my way to work, but decided to bring it back." Alex took the wallet with both hands. "Thank you. I really needed this." The woman just nodded, said, "Have a good day," and left. Alex sat back down, opened his wallet, and everything was still inside. He felt lucky. But more than that, he felt seen.
That moment when someone shows up just when you need them, that's really powerful.
Yes, and the way the story flows, it gives us some great natural English phrases to learn. Absolutely. Let's break down 10 useful words, idioms, and phrasal verbs from the story. So, shadow with us as we go. First up, running late. This means to be behind schedule. For example, you might say, "I was running late for work." Now say it with us. "I was running late for work." Next, juggle. To juggle means to manage many things at once. So you could say, "She's juggling school, work, and family." Repeat, "She's juggling school, work, and family." Number 3, rush out. This means to leave quickly. Like, he rushed out without saying goodbye. Repeat, "He rushed out without saying goodbye." Then we have under his breath. This is to speak quietly, usually when you're upset. For instance, he cursed under his breath. Repeat, "He cursed under his breath." Moving on, heart sank. This means to suddenly feel very disappointed or worried. An example, her heart sank when she saw the test result. Repeat, "Her heart sank when she saw the test result." It means to become happy or excited. You could say, "Her face lit up when she saw the puppy." Repeat, "Her face lit up when she saw the puppy." And still inside. This simply means everything was there. For example, everything was still inside the bag. Repeat, "Everything was still inside the bag." Then show up. To appear, especially unexpectedly. He showed up just in time. Repeat, "He showed up just in time." Number 9, hopeless. Feeling like nothing will get better. So she felt hopeless after losing the job. Repeat, "She felt hopeless after losing the job." And finally, seen, but in an emotional way. This means to feel noticed, understood, or cared for. You might say, "That message made me feel seen." Repeat, "That message made me feel seen." So if you've ever felt like your English isn't improving even when you work hard, there's a reason, You should absolutely check out our video, Why You're Not Improving in English. You'll find clear, motivating answers and a plan that actually works.
Let's think. Have you ever lost something important and got it back? And how would you, thank a stranger who helped you?
Thinking in English, it totally builds connection and fluency, even when you're not speaking.
Before we go, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Talk English Podcast for more inspiring story-based English practice.
It really means so much to us, and it helps more learners just like you. So today we practice with natural phrasal verbs, emotional vocabulary, and a story that really shows how one small action can change a day.
In episode 3, we're stepping into the advanced level, a more complex story, fast-paced dialogue and advanced idiomatic language.
Also, if you're building strong study habits, don't miss our video, Build Self-Discipline, Tiny Habits and Systems. It's linked right at the end of this episode, so check that out.
You're doing amazing. Be proud of yourself. Keep listening, keep repeating, and never stop learning.
See you in episode 3.